Hey, this is Brittany over at Montgomery Chevrolet, 5325 Preston Highway. You recently inquired about this 2008 beautiful Toyota Tundra. It will not be here long. Our GM has it up front. People are calling about it. We'd love to get you by to check it out. Please give me a ring, 502-962-3256. It is stock number P7857. It does have the V8 engine in it, as you can see. Beautiful white color on it. There's your Toyota Tundra symbol. It is the limited version. 2 doors. Folks, this truck won't last long. Great tire tread on it. Clean bed. Bed liner. Give me a ring, 502-962-3256. Let me know when you're available to come check this truck out. 502-962-3256, Montgomery Chevrolet. We'll hear from you soon. Thank you so much.